and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So in today's question, we have this JAMB math question of the day. It says the sum of four numbers is 1214 base 5. Okay, the sum of four numbers. Let's say A plus B plus C plus D is this. What is the average of these numbers expressed in base 5? Wow, you can see this. So the first thing is we have to first find, um, you know, it says the sum of four numbers. Let's convert this to base 10 first, okay? Then get the average. Then when we now get the average, then we now express it in base 5. Do you see that? So to convert this to base 10, remember our power. So we have 0, 1, 2, and 3. So that will be 1 times 5 raised to the power 3 plus 2 times 5 raised to the power 2 plus 1 times 5 raised to the power 1, then plus 4 times 5 raised to the power 0. Okay, so from here, 5 raised to the power 3, what would that give us? That's 5 times 5, 25, times another 5, that would be 125, okay? 125, 5 cube is 125, plus, and 125 times 1 is 125. So this is 5 squared, 25 times 2, that's 50, plus 5 raised to the power 1 is 5, times 1 is 5, and 5 raised to the power 0 is 1, times 4 is 4, okay? So we have, this is 5 plus this is 9, 9 plus 59, and 59 plus 125. 125 plus 59, that will give us what? 481, 184. So we have 184. So to get the average, or of four number, because this is the sum of four number is this. So in base 10 is this. So to get the average, we divide by 4. Okay, the average of the four numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, we divide by 4. That's the mean. So when we divide, what are we going to have? We're going to get 46. So from 46 now, we convert. This is in base 10. We'll convert to base 5. So let's quickly rule our line here. So we first do 5. How many 5 can we get in 46? 9. All right, 9 remainder what? 1. How many 5 can we get in 9? We can just get 1 remainder what? 4. And how many 5 can we get in 1? 0, remainder 1. All right, and we take our answer this way. So we finally have 141 in base 5. And what is our answer? Our answer is option D. Do you see that? Okay, so if you want to practice more on that time exam condition and mode, please get the DTW JAMB CBT app. It's on Google Play Store. Go search it. On iOS, go search, okay, for your past questions database on digital formats. You need this to practice, okay? For all your sciences, your art, your commercial, it's not just for maths, for all subjects on the DTW JAMB CBT app. Go get it. All right, download it freely. Check out the features. It costs 4,000 naira to activate, to activate all the questions. It has 31,000 questions in the bank. So to activate it, it works offline without the internet. Okay, so activate it, download and check it out. You can also WhatsApp me, all right, if you have issues in knowing how to activate. Also, if you are interested in our online JAMB tutorials, all right, every day, Monday to Friday, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Join us. A lot of success stories we've had last year. Over how many people scoring? More than 5 people scoring above 300 from the JAMB online classes. Please do join us today. You can WhatsApp me to get more details. You can join our, follow us on our YouTube channel, TikTok, join our WhatsApp group. If you have questions regarding registration, everything, subject combination, any questions, even after JAMB post, you me everything you can ask on the Facebook group. We are here to support you. If you want other resources, you can also check our website for your syllabus download, notes, study guides, dtwtutorials.com. You will get all those. Also follow our WhatsApp. All the links, I'm going to leave them. Please do make sure you follow us. Our WhatsApp channel, that's where I'll be dropping instant information. Anything about JAMB, I'll be dropping everything there. Okay? And on the Facebook group, the WhatsApp channel, you can't really interact, but on the Facebook group, you can drop your questions. So please do that. All right. So finally, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. He's the one who's going to lead you to heaven at last and give you peace right here on earth with joy and with health. It's in Jesus. Come to Him today. You are destined to win in your forthcoming JAMB 2025 examination, also in life, in all round about you. You are destined to win in Jesus' name. See you in our next video. Don't forget to share. Please do share this channel with your friends, family, and loved ones. All right, take care and see you in our next video.